So I am going to install this universal wireless garage door keypad, and I'm going to walk you through it. So if I can do it, and I don't know if I can do it yet, but if I can, then you can do it too. So let's get started. And this is what comes with it. So obviously you're going to push here and then just slide it up. And it wasn't clear whether or not this came with a battery, but I went ahead and already unscrewed it and checked, and it does. So we're going to go ahead and close that. And we're going to go ahead and get the directions. And what you also need to know is which garage door opener, what brand you have. So let me go ahead and show you. Okay, so I have a LiftMaster, and right above it, it says Chamberlain. So that is the brand that I'm going to look for on the directions. So we're going to go to the directions, and you'll see a little legend right here. And then there's another one down here. The first thing you need to do once you find out what you have, you need to also find out what year it is, because you're going to need to know the year. So let's go ahead and do that as well. I'm not sure if it's going to focus, but right here it says 1001, so it's 2001. Also, I'm sorry about my mess. It is a garage, so just pardon my mess. All right, so mine is a 2001. So we're going to look on here, and let's start at the bottom. It says Chamberlain, and this one says it's 2011 to current, so we know that's not it. And then we'll go to this one, and that's 1993 to 1996. We know that's not it. So it actually happens to be number 2, which is 1997 to 2005, and mine's a 2001. So it's just right in the middle. It also tells you that the button that you're going to need to press is a red-orange button, which it is. So we know that it's this one. So the opener ID is going to be 02. And we're going to go ahead and press the star and the pound together. And then it will light up. And you do that until the light goes away. Okay, so it went away. Next, it says to press 1 pound or 2 pound of your choice. We are going to go with 2 pound. So let's go 2 pound. And then it says enter your opener ID and then pound. So it was 02 pound. So press and release the learn button on the garage door opener within 1 minute. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and press this button. And you only have 1 minute to do that. So, you don't want to waste time. Then you do the factory reset, which is 2, 2, 2, 2 pound, because you could pick 1 or 2 to test the pin with the pound again. Okay, so we're going to test the pin. I guess we'll do it again. Pound. Woo, baby! Did you hear it? Yes! So if a girl can do it and she has no clue what she's doing, sweet! Okay, so obviously I need to change it to a different password because y'all know it's 2222. So let me do that. This is the garage box, and again, this is a LiftMaster. So I left the directions down there, so I'm just going to go ahead and press this button because I know it said press a button. We're going to go ahead and press that.